everybody, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today we are at the Izze x Moxi event in San Diego at the Claremont Skatepark. I'm so excited. This place is super awesome. I'm gonna show you around. We're gonna meet some people. It's gonna be amazing, and we're gonna drink lots of Izze, and we're gonna do a lot of roller skating. Let's go. Oh my gosh, this is
way deeper than it looks.
Yeah, that's not something I'll be going into. What are we doing, baby?
We're at the Moxi Izze event.
Yay! Okay, this is so cool. Check it out. So there's huge drop-in over there, and then there's this huge like pump track kind of a thing. It's so big. When I tell you that this is in 0.5, like this is so dope. Okay, I'll just walk you through this whole place so you can see it. Wow! Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I think I could probably roll in off of that because I can't do that because I'm scared of it. But, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Whoa, look at this bowl and cap. Okay, let's see this from this perspective. Okay, so you have to climb up those stairs. Wait, you have to go, I think probably from the other side. And then you would drop in or roll in up there. I think that's really just a roll in. And then you'd probably launch over that onto the hump because you get so much speed from this. That sounds awesome, and I'm gonna be very entertained watching people do it, but I will not be personally doing that today. There's lots of cool stuff here though that I'm really excited about trying, so I can't wait to take you around and show you all the stuff. This is Michelle Stylen demonstrating what we should all be doing before we start roller skating. What am I doing before roller skating? I'm just recording them do it. Oh, look at it. Setting an example and making a difference. Who else is gonna join? Oh, we got more joining in. Amazing. Yes. Oh my God, that's so cool. What? Incredible. Incredible.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until
That's
the
cool.
morning.
That's the effect.
You never know when it is
There we go.
over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
We're all day long, all day. Moxi glow wheels? What? I need to try those. I haven't tried them yet.
Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Downtown. I want to save my soul.
Okay, so the event is officially over. It was raining, it was awesome. So many people came. We unlocked this cool stuff. We had really dope DJs. We had really great skaters. We had so much fun. And so next time you should come and
Stay with us.
Yeah, and if you want to support me, you can go to www.cheersthequeers.com. Oh wait, Chef told me I sound old when I say that. If you want to support me, you can go to cheersthequeers.com and like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, most importantly,
says www.
I'm gonna cut it out.
Cheers!
Thanks, everybody.